If you have a high-end 4K television sitting in your living room right now, there is a very high chance you are completely wasting its potential. You bought the TV for its beautiful panel, its deep blacks, and its vibrant colors. But then, you made a silent mistake. You pressed the home button on your TV's built-in remote, opened Netflix, and started watching. Or maybe you plugged in a cheap $30 streaming stick that was on sale, thinking, it is just a streaming device, they all do the same thing. But they do not. Not even close. In the video, we are going to dive deep into a piece of technology that is simultaneously the most overpriced and the most criminally underrated device Apple has ever created. The Apple TV 4K. By the end of this, you will understand exactly why your current setup bottlenecks your entertainment, how this black box quietly dominates the entire industry, and the secret features 90% of owners do not even know exist. To understand why this device exists, we first have to look at the massive lie of the modern smart TV. When you buy a brand new television, you are paying for the glass, the backlighting, and the physical panel. The software inside, that is an afterthought. TV manufacturers do not make their money by keeping your 5-year-old TV running fast. They make their money by selling you the TV, and then selling your viewing data to advertisers. This is why, after about a year or two, that beautiful smart TV of yours starts to lag. The apps take longer to load. The remote control feels heavy and unresponsive. The home screen is suddenly cluttered with invasive, bright advertisements for shows you have absolutely no interest in watching. And then there is the audio and video processing. A television's internal processor is tiny. It is designed to handle the basic tasks, but when it comes to decoding complex, high bitrate video streams and rendering immersive spatial audio formats, it chokes. It compresses the signal. You think you are watching pristine 4K, but in reality, you are getting a compressed, washed-out version of what the creators intended. Inside this sleek, quiet black box sits a literal smartphone processor. Not a cheap, low-end chip, but the exact same silicon Apple uses to run heavy mobile games and intense multitasking. It is essentially a high-end mini-computer dedicated entirely to one single task, making your television look and sound as perfect as humanly possible. The moment you plug it in and set it up, the difference is immediate. The user interface does not lag. It glides. There are no flashing banner ads trying to sell you local car insurance or random streaming services. It is just a clean, beautiful minimalist design. But beautiful menus are just the surface. Let us talk about what actually happens to your screen. Most people do not realize that the Apple TV 4K features a built-in color calibration tool that is mind-bogglingly simple. If you have an iPhone, you can hold it up to your TV screen while the Apple TV runs a quick color cycle test. Using the iPhone's front-facing camera and light sensors, the Apple TV measures the exact color output of your specific TV panel and automatically adjusts its own output to compensate for any imbalances. In less than 60 seconds, you get a professionally calibrated color-accurate picture without spending hundreds of dollars on a professional technician. Suddenly, skin tones look natural. Shadows have detail instead of being crushed into solid black, and the bright highlights pop without burning your eyes out. If you are a movie buff, you have probably